everybody, I'm Holly. Welcome back to my channel. I have a new box for you, and this box is called the Whole Shebang box. And this box is my laptop shut off on me. $36 a month, and it is it delivers you, I think it was 5, yeah, like 5 to 6 items of beauty and or skincare items in once a month, and it's $36 a month. Did I say that? I think I said that. I am not sure. I am having a blonde moment, I think. I don't know. But anyway, this box was sent to me for review, and I am running a little behind on the videos, and that is my fault, not no fault of theirs. And I just want to apologize to them. I haven't been, as you can tell, not feeling very well, so I am running behind. Today is May 8th, and I am doing my very best to get this video out today. Hopefully hopefully I can get it out and up today, and hopefully you could see it today and get it in time for Mother's Day. Hopefully. So let's just dive right into this box. I do love the design of the box. I think it is very pretty. Very cute box. All right, let's open it up. Ooh, I love it. Love that. All right. Pull back. Oh, I love the little foil paper. I just love that. That's so pretty. All right, let's see if we have a paper in here. No, I'm not seeing a paper. All right, well, it looks like to be just like beauty products and skincare products. So let's see what we have in here first. Oh, cosmetic brush. Oh, I needed some of these. Cosmetic brush cleansing cloths. And these are by Danielle. Oh, that's a little tiny word. Danielle Creations, I think that says. And these is 10 wet cloths. There they are. I just ran out of these, so I needed some more of these. So those are, I'm happy to get these. Cosmetic brush cleansing cloth. There are 10 wet cloths in here. So I am happy to have some of those. Thanks for sending those. I needed those definitely, and desperately needed those. Ooh, this product is by Simplicity, and it is a create it yourself, and you can make a pick your headband or barrette, and you can you can make like your own headband or your own barrette out of this. I kind of like that I can make for one of my granddaughters. They'll think that's really cute. My youngest, she would love that. My youngest granddaughter's gonna love that. She's got like these cute little curly ringlets. She's gonna love that. I'm gonna make that for my granddaughter. That's so cute. We have like a whole box full here. There's a whole bunch of stuff in there. There we go. You can see that in there. And then we have a pomegranate cleansing foam, skin safety tested, and this is sealed right up. It is sealed right up. And it looks to be from It's Skin. I don't know if you can, there you go, from It's Skin. See, Camilla, I cannot see those little tiny words. Camilla Sensi, I can't say the word. That's terrible, I can't say the word. And something grenadium. It is something leaf extract and fruit extract, and it is a cleansing foam for your skin. And it says its value is $9. And all the oh no, there are, squeeze a small amount onto your hands, gently massage entire area, and rinse thoroughly with warm water. Okay. For external use only, avoid contact with eyes, keep out of reach of children. I'm gonna give that a try. I do love the pomegranate smell of pomegranates. I do love that smell, so I'm gonna give that a try. I'm really enjoying skincare nowadays. When I was younger, you know, when you're first, you know, in your like early 20s and late 20s, you're not so much into skincare. Boy, I'll tell you, you get in your late 40s and early 50s and you're like, oh my God, I need to take care of my skin. If you're in your early 20s and in your 20s, do it now while you can, because I'm telling you, you're gonna regret it if you don't start. And next we have something from Clinique. It's Moisture Surge 72-hour auto replenishing hydrator. And it says, no, I don't know what it's for, but it's a Moisture Surge. So it's for maybe moisturizer. I'm assuming it's a moisturizer. I wonder if its value is $19. Holy guacamole. But anyway, it is a moisturizer, and I'm wondering if I can, ooh, not so sure I was supposed to twist it off like that. All right, let me see if I can smell it. There, no safety seal. And no smell. Let's see. It is very silky smooth though. I do like that. Let's see here. Ooh, that feels good on your skin. Yeah, there's no smell though. I mean, sometimes it's nice to have moisturizer that's not scented though, so I do like that. That does feel good on your skin. Okay, and then next we have, I'm not entirely sure. I think this goes with the next item, and that is Skin by Dimitri James, and it is the Luxe Premier Eyeshadows Collagen Boost Treatment Shadow Collection, and it is Fairy Tale, and here is the outside of it, and let's see if I can pop this beauty open. Ooh, it says it has a $25 value, so let me see if I can pop it open, because it is sealed up. Hopefully, ow, 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 ow. I'll be right back. Okay, got the tape off, so let's get this open and see. Like I said, the name of the palette is called Fairy Tale, and it is by Dimitri James, and it is Skin, and there's what that looks like. I've never seen or heard of this person, Dimitri James. I don't know. Let me know if you guys have. And we're gonna pop it open. Oh, okay. And there's what it looks like when I pop it open. And oh, okay. All right. Oh, that's a heavy plastic piece. Usually it's like a thin, you know, paper. Well, not paper, but there's like pretty colors. Those are very pretty colors. I do like those colors. And they are kind of a pastel, I want to say pastel color. They are very nice colors. They are not, you know me, I'm not like a really bright in your face kind of color where, I mean, my eyes are kind of a little darker today. Well, not necessarily darker, but I do like those colors though. Very pretty colors. I do like those. And this is a very unique palette. I kind of like this palette. It's a different palette. I do like that. So very nice palette. Now I'm trying to figure out how, does it go that way? Or do I flip it and does it go the other way? I think it goes this way. There. That is very nice. Oh, maybe it doesn't fit that way. I don't know how it goes on. Okay. There. Nope, it goes that way. Very nice. And I just saw that there's a mirror up here too. So I don't want to flash it, but there's a mirror up there as well. So that's pretty cute. Cute little kind of like a little compact travel size eyeshadow palette. So that's very cute as well. And then we have one more thing in here, and I think that this is a nice little well-rounded, you kind of get like a little bit of everything in this. So, you know, you kind of, it's not just geared towards one area type box, you know. So, and this is the last thing, and nope, there's one more thing in there. Okay, and this is how this came, and this is my favorite thing ever. So, oh, I like it. Okay, this is from Victoria's Secrets, and this is Sequin Nights, and this is 8.4 fluid ounces. Sparkling Pomegranate Sultry Woods Party Queen. That's what the back says. Sequin Nights. Smells absolutely amazing. Amazing. Yes, that smells amazing. I love Victoria's Secret's body sprays. They are just, this right here is well worth the box. $36 for this box. It's well worth the box. That's absolutely amazing. And then we have this little lipstick, and this is also from Clinique. I don't know if you can, there you go, maybe you can see it. Little Clinique right there. And the color is absolutely little tiny. I can't see the color, but we're gonna try the color. There's the little baby color. We're gonna call it Poppin' Pink. That's what we're gonna call it. It's really pretty. I like that. Very nice pink. Very nice. I like that. So you kind of got a little bit of everything in this. I think it's a very nice box. You got some lotion, some body spray, some moisturizer. You can make a barrette. You got some lip gloss, some eyeshadow. This is a very nice box. And the value is there. You figure Victoria's Secret spray is very expensive, so, you know, we're gonna lose everything. There's one more look at my the whole shebang box, and I really did get the whole shebang. I like this box. I highly recommend this box, and I hope that the curator of the whole shebang box understands that. I'm so sorry. I really did not feel so good, but I hope that they enjoy this video, and I hope that you enjoyed this video as well, and I hope that you will give the whole shebang at least a look on Cratejoy. And I believe that they have a special on Cratejoy. I think it's MOMSDAY or something. I will leave the link down below and the code as well. And if I don't see you before Mother's Day, I hope that you have a wonderfully awesome Mother's Day for all you mothers out there. I hope that your day is amazing, and I will see you guys in my next video as well. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget how much I truly and especially appreciate each and every one of you. Okay, that's it. I'll see you in my next video.